Hello,
Hi, ma'am.
welcome.
Good morning,
Hello.
ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon, everyone.
Hi,
Hello.
good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Hi,
Good
hi, hi.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon,
afternoon,
Shreya.
ma'am.
Ma'am, today is Happy Father's Day.
Yes. Now, hi, hello, everybody. Welcome. And before we start, you all know what to do. You have to tell me आज सबका mood कैसा है? How is everyone feeling? Tell me in the chat box. Are you all excited? Are you all happy? Let me know. Hi, good afternoon, children. Hello. Excited. Very nice. Oh, I see. Everybody is happy and everyone is excited. That is amazing. Good, good, good. So everybody know that today is Father's Day, right? So we're gonna have a little fun activity here. And before we start, please parents rename the account on your child's name so that it gets easy for the parents for the children to interact with the teachers. And bacha log, your cameras should be on at all times. Okay, we would love to see what you all are doing. So please, please, please keep your cameras on. And lastly, after we are done with this, parents, please share the pictures of your children with the beautiful art that they create. And now we'll wait for thoda sa time, then we move on. But I will not take much time today because I know all of us have missed our very dear Mr. Fox, right? Did we miss Mr. Fox? Right? Yes. So I'm going to
Hello.
go now and I'm going to let Mr. Fox take over. Sonal ma'am?
Hello, friends. Good afternoon. I missed you so much. Hello, all. So, everybody knows what's the day today. Yes? Today is Father's Day. चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा हजारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? कौन है? Papa, mere papa. Yes, see, Mr. Fox loves to sing and dance, and he missed you all so much. So I think Mr. Fox has a question for you. Okay, children, tell me one thing which you like to do with your daddy. Can you all write in the chat box? Mr. Fox, what do you like to do with your daddy? Huh? I like to play football. Yay! So tell me, okay, or people like to play. I also like to play. I'm sure you like to dance as well, Mr. Fox. Yes. बहुत मजा आएगा. Today's Father's Day. I want to play with my daddy and I will gift him something. Wow, keep a gift. Oh, see, children like to do watch TV, stories, spend some time, play badminton. Oh, lovely. I like to play football. Yeah. So today, children, let us all wish our fathers with a special thing. What are we going to do, Mr. Fox? Okay, खेलते तो रोज है डैडी के साथ. आज कुछ नया करेंगे. And what are we going to do? We will make some puppets. Woohoo! Are you all ready to make some puppets? Yes, yes, yes. Let us make puppets and then play with our daddy with it. Yay! So, who is going to help us to make puppets? Sona ma'am is going to help us. Okay, children? Yes, everybody, let's make puppet. You all play with your daddy later on with it. Then I will see you in some time. Okay, children. Bye-bye.
Hi, Bachalog. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sonal Ma'am's class at Lonat. Hi. Hi. Can I see the hands waving on the screen? Yes. I missed you all so much. Hi. Can we have the music, ma'am? And I want all the daddies and all the bacha log dancing. Are you all ready? Show me a thumbs up. Ready for some fun? We are going to have lots of fun, huh? Don't miss out. Chalo, get ready. Bring your daddy. Sonal ma'am or Dhruv sir, can you please play the music? All right. I want all hands.
Baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark, do-do-do-do-do, baby shark. Mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark, do-do-do-do-do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, daddy shark, do-do-do-do-do, daddy shark.
Grandma shark,
Stop.
do-do-do-do-do, grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, grandma shark, do-do-do-do-do, grandma shark.
All right. Did you all enjoy the famous Baby Shark song? Did you all enjoy? Are you ready to make some puppets? Yes? Our puppets? Right. We are going to make some very, very interesting finger puppets. All right. Okay, so this is hi from our super daddy and our little babies. Okay? So I want all of you all to get your materials, get your white papers, colors, scissors, glue, grab all of them, and we are going to begin in 10 seconds. Okay? Can you spotlight the desk, ma'am? Yes, I want all of y'all to get all the materials, okay, colors, everything, all with you. Okay, so now tell me how your papas are in so many roles. They play with you, they go to office. Genie Papa, पापा आज ये ले आओ, पापा मुझे आज ये चाहिए, पापा ये कर दो. And your superhero daddy सब जगह से मम्मा की डांट से बचाने तो आ ही जाते हैं ना everybody. Yes, I want a thumbs up if you all are enjoying. Yes. Okay, so are you all ready with me? Give me a thumbs up, children. Are you ready? Yes. So now let's take a white paper sheet. Take a white paper sheet. Yeah. And now make a strip of, cut a strip of paper from your white sheet. Okay, I have taken about 8 centimeters, but you can take approximately 5, 8, 10 centimeters. Cut a strip of paper, children, from your white sheet. And the remaining white sheet we'll utilize for making the frame, the selfie frame, right? Puppets don't look good without the puppet theater. Okay, so this is our selfie theater today. So cut a sheet of paper and the remaining paper we are going to utilize for making the frame. I hope all of you all are ready with the sheet of paper. Take the white paper, cut a sheet of paper, cut a strip of paper of about 8 to 10 centimeters. All right, I can see my bachas are doing this very, very nicely. Yes, Atharva, yes, Harshika, Nishita, Subhan, very nice. Yes, Navya. All right, all of you all are doing this. Yes, very nice. Yes, the sheet of paper is ready. A strip of paper is ready with you. Okay, yes, very nice, very nice. Right, yes, Heer. Right, Bharatwaj. Okay. I can see most of you all are ready. So we move on to the next step, which is we fold the paper, we fold the strip of paper into half. Half में fold करिए इसे. Half, exact half करना है हमें इसे. fold the strip of paper into half. Yes. और अब हमें baseline के लिए, for having a reference for us, we are going to fold this again. Make this press this very gently so that you have a reference for yourself, right? The figure has to be exactly in the half. Okay, are we ready with this? I have the baseline with me. Yes. And now I'm going to use this baseline for creating my character. Okay. So take your pencils. Children, always draw first with the pencil. Okay, Jashni, I can repeat this for you. Shaurya, all right. I have just taken a white strip of paper. Okay, a white strip of paper about 8 to 10 centimeters. I have folded this into half and I have folded this again vertically half so that I can get a baseline for myself for drawing the character. Is this all right? Are you all with me? Are you all done? Yes, right. Now the story is about to begin. Yes. Take your pencils. Take your thumb. And you are going to draw the face at the top. Now, where is the top going to be? The place where you have folded the card, that is the top for you. The place where you have folded the card, that is the top for you. Okay? Have you got the instructions correctly? This is the top for you. The place where you have folded the card. Take the thumb and draw the head with me. Children, first draw this with pencil. A downward U. Manya, you have to take the strip of paper. You have to cut the big paper into a strip which is about 8 to 10 centimeters. And then you have to fold this into half. Yes? And now we begin. So please, all of you all pay attention. This is the last time. This is a strip of paper. I have folded this into half. I folded this again vertically for my baseline. Place the thumb, draw the head. Where you're going to draw the head is the place where you have folded the card. Okay? A downward U. Yes. And now we are going to draw a V. We are going to draw a V. And now we are going to make this a triangle. Yes, we are going to make this a triangle. The collar. First you draw it with your thumb. Or with a finger, but thumb is better because it has more space. So you can draw this with the thumb. Then draw a V and complete it with the slant lines to make a triangle, and the collar is ready. And now draw a curved line with me on the left and on the right. Do this with the pencil, children. Then you have to color this and outline this with sketch pen. A left curve and a right curve. No? Okay. A left curve and a right curve. First the thumb, then two triangles, a left curve and a right curve. Yes, yes, here, correct, yes, right. And now we are going to draw the body. The body has to be 3/4 of the page. Draw 2 vertical lines and the curve. Do this with me, children. This is very easy. You just have to draw lines, curves, straight line and curve lines. I'm waiting for you all. Yes, you can draw it roughly without using the thumb, Jashni. You can use your finger, index finger, or you can just draw a downward U. Jashni, have you got this? Yes, very nice. Children, if you all have completed, show it to me on the screen so that I know you all are able to do it, follow it. Yes, Prakhar. Yes, Ikjot. Yes, Jasleen. Yes, Pranvi. Yes, Vaibhavi. Yes, Mishika. Come on, come on. All of y'all. Yes, Sakshi. Yes, Jayam. Avya. Dhruva. Durva. Navneet. Harshita. Priyanka. Manyata. I'm so glad to see all of y'all are doing this so well. Huh? All of y'all are very, very smart bachas. So now the body, the upper body is done. We are going to make a belt. Draw 2 sleeping lines. And in the middle, make a circle. Yes, Kavya. Bachas, I can see very few bachas, so don't feel bad if I'm not able to take your name because I'm doing this and seeing this. So sometimes it must have got missed. Okay. No, we are going to create any character. Yes, I'm going to create a Superman character. So I'm using blue and red, but you can use any colors. You all can use orange, you all can use pink, you all can use blue, purple. Big circle or small circle. You have to draw a circle in the center. The power circle. I call this the power circle. Okay. And now just finish the hands. And our tall, dark, handsome dad is Superman is ready. Now we're going to do the face part. I hope all of you all have finished this part. The face, the curve lines for the hands. Yes, Karishma, yes. 2 standing lines, 2 sleeping lines, and 2 circles. Easy, Anna? All of you all are enjoying this now? Yes. Yes, Mishti, yes. Okay, and now we move on to the character detailing part. Okay, so now we are going to detail our characters with various things. So what do Superman have? Yeah, what do these superheroes have? They have those handcuffs. They have a mask. क्या चीजें होती है जरा chat box पे डालो ना. क्या चीजें superheroes के? Yes, they have a hat. Okay, cape, mask. Right, fan to fly clothes. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Yes, shield, gloves. Yes, we are going to write that. We are going to write. Yes, I'm going to show you. Gun. Oh, nice. Mask. Very nice. Very nice. So we are going to make 3 things. Okay. I'm going to make the handcuffs. I have drawn a curve lines on the hair, on the hands. Gadgets, yes. Dad ka favorite gadget, mobile phone and the office bag. Yes, Nivriti, very nice. Cloak. Oh, Gauri. We have done a lot of things. We have taken a strip of paper, folded it, and we have created the character. Can you spotlight the desk, ma'am? Sonal desk. कहाँ चला गया? Okay, no problem. We have created the dress. I've created the handcuffs, the gloves, and the power circle is ready. Now we are going to make the face. Okay, just give me a minute, children. I think the desk has not there, but it's okay. In the meanwhile, start coloring your clothes. Start coloring the dress, the top part. Leave the circle. This circle, these two circles, leave it. Start coloring your dress. Let me show this to you. Start coloring the dress. You can use any colors, the colors that your dad like. Does it come? Can you Sonal ma'am or Dhruv sir, can you please spotlight Sonal desk? Oh. Okay, Vedant, हाँ, आ गया ना? It's there. Yes, okay. Okay, let's start coloring this. I'm using red color. Leave the circles and the triangles. Come on, everybody, let's do this and finish this, all of us together. Yes, and I'm going to make all of y'all finish this together with me. Take any color and start coloring the jersey. Leave the circle. Y'all can use any color that you like. For the collar, I'm using the blue color. Take just two colors, children. Any two colors. Use two contrast colors. You all can make Batman with black and yellow, Superman with red and blue, Hulk with green color, Speedy Man, Iron Man, and now in the center, I'm going to put the initials of the dad. Yeah, I'm going to put the initials of the dad. What do we mean by initials? Yes, you can use sketch pen, Dikshita. You can use sketch pens. You all can use any color. Yes, two contrast colors. Spider-Man. Yes, you can use checkered Spider-Man. First letter of the name is called the initials. Richa, you should be able to see my screen. I'm using red and blue. And now I'm going to put the initials of the dad. And I'm going to complete the circle. You can do a design in the center, or you can just let this be. It just looks nice. I call this the power circle. All right, and we move on to character detailing of the face. First, we start with the hair. Just do slant lines. Yes, you can use oil pastels, pencil colors, crayons, sketch pens, any colors. We have started with the character detailing of the face. The with the hair. Use slant lines. We are going to draw 2 circles for the eyes. Two small circles for the eyes and the slant lines. Are you all with me, children? Are you all able to do this? Yes. All right. Everybody's having a lot of fun, huh? Enjoying it. I'm waiting, children. Yes, I'm waiting. Yes, you are going to use the stars, the beads, and all the decorative material. Yes, Kavya, waiting. Come on. It's up to you, Jashni. You want to make the mask? Yes, Angeline. Oh, yes, Medansh. Yes, here. Very nice. Glitter. Yes, we're going to use everything. First, let's finish the detailing, character detailing. Yes, Sakshi, Mishika. Come on, everybody. Show me up on the screens. Yes, Navneet. Yes, Kanayu, Kansayu, Mishika, right? Yes, Dananya. Yes, Hashika, Tanish, Ayush, Jayashri. Yes. Ahana. I want all cameras on. Many cameras are off. Children, show up your cameras. Switch on your cameras. I would love to see your creations. All right, most of you all have completed, and we move on to making the small mustaches, cute ones. First do this with the pencil and then do it with the sketch pen. And the nice smiley face. And I'm going to make dots out here, the tiny bed stuffs. Okay. Color the gloves. Yes. And now take another strip of paper. We'll do the cutting in the last. We'll cut in the last. Yes, I can see all of you all have completed. Most of you all have completed. Very nice. We'll do the cutting in the last. Take another strip of paper, and this is for the robe. For the robe behind. Yes, for the robe behind. We'll do cutting in the last. So take a strip of paper. Take a strip of paper and just take a rectangular piece of paper, a very small piece of paper. This is just for the rope that is going to be stuck behind. And color this. Take a strip of paper, another strip of paper, a very small strip of paper. A rectangular piece. I'm just going to make a small V to give it a shape of a robe. and color the robe with the same contrast colors that you have used. Color the robe. Is it red? Color the robe with me. Robe is the you know, the cloth that is behind the Superman. Yes. If you are making any other character, most of the Supermans have a robe behind. Yes, when they can fly. Use the two colors that you have used. And the robe is ready. You can use the glitter, the decorative materials like the stars or the beads, anything that you want, you can use it in the robe. It's going to show up very nicely. I'm going to use the stars. If you don't have any decorative material, it's all right. It's absolutely okay. It's not required. It's just for good decoration. If you have beads, if you have any colorful material, put it on the robe. I'm waiting, children. Yes, you can use any color, but try to use the color that you have used in your character. We have decided to use two colors for the character, any two contrast colors. So try to use same colors in the robe. It's the cape or the robe, yeah. All right. We move on to the next step of cutting the final step of making our finger puppets. So how are we going to cut this? Are you all ready? Are you all ready now? Okay, I'll wait for 1 more minute. Let everybody finish coloring and the robe. If you all are ready, show me a thumbs up on the screens. Okay, okay. Okay, Bharatwaj, I'm waiting. Yes, I'm waiting. Take a strip of paper for the robe and use the same color. Yes, you can use glitter as well. Glitter also looks very nice. I've used stars. You can use glitters. You can use any decorative material if you have, and it's okay if you do not have decorative material. It's still going to look very, very pretty. All right. All right. I want all eyes on the screen, children. We are going to the last step of the finger puppet. I want everybody to see this. How are we going to cut this? So just cut on the outline. Take help of your parents for the scissors, children, if you all are not able to do this. Always cut on outside the outline. Do not cut the top. Yeah, do not cut the top part. Let this be. It will be required. Do this very gently and slowly. Do not cut the top part. Let this be joint at the head. And I'm going to cut the bottom part and leave only the belt and the circle. Yes. So my rope and the character is ready. Yes, I'm going to explain again. I want all eyes on the screen. When you're cutting, children, cut on the edges, on the sides. Do not cut the top part, leave it intact so that you have this opening available. Yes, you have the opening available. Do not cut the head. It will be easier for us to stick when you put your fingers inside. Yes, are you all ready with me? Isn't this exciting? Are you finding this exciting? Yes, Nishita, very nice. Come on, everybody, start cutting your character. And we are going to stick the rope in the last. But before this, I'm going to show you how are you going to stick all of this together. Yeah. You can use glitter, you can use any decorative material, that's all right. Yes, Misha, I'm waiting for everyone. Yes. Yes, Nishta, okay. Yes, Kavya, I'm waiting. Come on, everyone. Finish the rope and the character cutting. Do not cut the head. Do not make this into two pieces. Cut only on the edges. And our superhero is ready. What two shapes, Naisha? I didn't understand. You ready with the shapes? Okay. If you all are ready, show it to me on the screens. I want all cameras on. I would want to see your lovely creations. Yes. So cut the bottom part as well. Yeah, Pavitra, cut the bottom part, just the red part. Yeah, cut the bottom. Just the belt, the upper body, and the face. Yes, Medansh, it's looking very cute. Yes, Mishka. Yes, Vaibhavi. Yes, Naman. All right, we have still a lot of more things to be completed. Yes, Aditri, I can see you've made Batman. Ah, very interesting. All these photos have to be coming. Do not forget to click pictures. Yes, and we have still a lot of interesting things to be completed. So I want all of y'all to buckle up and speed up. Now, I want all eyes on the screen. I'm going to show you how are you going to make this finger puppet, okay? So take the glue, apply the glue only on the edges. Children, look everybody on the screen. apply the glue. Take a very little glue and apply it only on the edges. See, I've made a small line. And the below part, do not apply the glue on the below part where you're going to place your finger. Okay? Just on the top and on the sides. I'll repeat again. Take the glue, apply it on the sides, very little glue. Do not apply on the bottom. Yes, Mahi, I can see. It's very nice. And press this very gently. Very, very gently. And your robe has to come from behind and it has to be visible. Make it, adjust the height accordingly. Are we done sticking the parts together? Apply the glue only on the sides and not on the bottom, on the head and on the sides. And press and keep this so that it dries in very nicely. Insert a pencil or your finger so that it dries in nicely. Do not apply the glue on the bottom. Just on the sides. If you can see my finger, just apply the glue on the sides, not at the bottom. And now it's time to stick the rope together. Adjust the height of the rope so that you are able to see it nicely. And let this rest. I'm just placing this pencil so that it dries very nicely. Stick the rope from behind. Are we ready? Are we ready to make the puppet theater now? Okay, the selfie station. Let this dry. Bachas, let this dry very nicely. Press them gently on the sides and put a pencil or your finger or a crayon so that you have a pocket created inside where you're going to insert your finger or your pencils. Okay, Misha, I am waiting. Yes, Weberly, it's looking very nice. And all of y'all, those who have completed, you can show this to me. I'm waiting to see all of y'all. All the super dads on the screen. Yes, Medansh. Yes, Nivriti. I'm waiting. Aha, very nice, very nice. All the super dads are slowly coming up on the screens. Aha, very nice. Yes, Myra, Arya. Yes, Janvi. And now you're going to show all these pretty super dads. Yeah, very nice. Anvita, very pretty. Ahana. Aha, very nice. I can see your dad, super cool dad. Yes, Dhananya. All of you all have made this so nice. Kavya, Laranya, Hasri. Oh, it's so nice. Trilokya. Oh, very nice. All of you all are coming up. Okay, okay. And all of you all, those who have not switched on your cameras, please switch on your cameras. I would love to see your creations. Yes, Kavya, I can see it. It's very nice. So all the cute super dads are ready. And we move to the last part, which is the puppet station or the puppet theater. And for this, the remaining white strip of paper that you had the remaining white strip of paper? Yes? Bring it on. Take a rectangular shape. Take that rectangular shape. And you can do lines with me, or you can make hearts, or you can make circles. Okay? So first we will just make the theater window, and then on the outside you can do any detailing. Yes, I have made the lines, but you can do any detailing like the hearts or the lines. So take that strip of paper, make a rectangle inside the theater window. Today we are making a selfie booth. Make a rectangle exactly in the center of your strip of paper. And I've shown you how to make the center. You should always fold the paper so that you get a baseline. And for elder children who know how to use a ruler, you all can measure and take exactly the center. Make a rectangle in the center. Make a rectangle in the center, and we are going to cut this rectangle. Take help of your parents for cutting this. You can use a cutter or you can use a scissor. Make the window. I'm using a cutter, children. You can use a scissor as well. Take help of your parents. It gives a very nice fold. It's okay if you don't have a cutter, you can use a scissor. I'm going to show you how to use the scissor as well. Just make a hole in any of the corner with the scissor. Very, very gently. And now we are going to cut this window. If you use a card paper or if you use any other, any other floral or decorative paper, that also looks very nice. So we are cutting the rectangle. I've used a card paper. You can stick this on a cardboard if you have. First, let's make this. So this window is ready. Take the white strip of paper. Take the white strip of paper. draw a rectangle and cut the rectangle in between. And now we are going to write my superhero. And you can use any decorative material. You can use any decorative material for your frame. You can use glitter, stars, or you can use craft papers, or you can stick this on any cardboard later. You can draw these lines, or you can even draw hearts, circles, do any kind of shapes. So now I'm going to draw hearts. Children, if you don't know to draw hearts, you can draw circles, or you can draw lines, slant lines. Or you can stick any decorative material. I'm waiting for you all to finish making this window and the frame, the puppet theater or the selfie station. We have a last step, a very, very important step for all of you all. Do not log out. It's a very, very important step and we are going to see all of this together. Yes? All of us are going to click a selfie together with our superheroes. And who's the superhero? You have to click the superhero selfie with your dad as well. And do not forget to send us those lovely creations. Yes? Tell Mama to send it. So now the last step of writing my superhero. In the center, draw 2 sleeping lines for your reference. And I'm going to write my superhero or my super dad. I love you. And our selfie station is ready. Selfie booth is ready. The last step is very, very important. I have still not told you. So I'm waiting for all of you all to finish this and then I'm going to show you how are we going to make the finger puppets with the finger superhero dad that we just created. So I'm waiting for you all. Come on, everyone. I hope all of you all enjoyed making this nice little cute superheroes with me. You all had a good time? Thank you. Yes, and now on the last step, I want all eyes on the screen. Sonal ma'am, can you spotlight the front desk? Sonal ma'am, Dhruv sir, can you please spotlight the front desk? Okay, we are waiting for others to finish this. Sonal,
Yeah, done, ma'am. See.
all right, all right. And I want all eyes on the screen. I'm going to show you the last step of the finger puppet. Everybody on the screen. Yes? Now, take your small finger and a black sketch pen, index finger, and you're just going to make the hairs with me. With me. Make the hair and the two small dots and the face, smiley face. And we are going to put our dad and the face together. Adjust your and the selfie booth. One second. Take your index finger, color this with a black sketch pen. Color this with the black sketch pen, the head, the two small eyes, and the face. With your the index finger. That is you, your tiny bachas, with the dad, superhero dad, and the final selfie booth coming in. Yes, bachas, are you all ready with this? You're going to click this nice, cute pictures, and do not forget to send this to Leonard. And do not forget to click this with your dad and wish him a happy Father's Day. I hope you all enjoyed making this nice, cute superheroes with me. If you all enjoyed, show me a heart on the screens. I want all superheroes and a heart coming up on the screens. Yes, very nice. I'm going to call out a 3 and you all are going to put all your superheroes on the screen. Huh? Okay, everybody ready? Everybody ready with your fingers? Yes, 3, 2, 1. And I want all cute superheroes. Yes, that's nice. I'm so happy to see all your creations. Beautiful. You all have done this so nice. All right. This is a goodbye from Sonal ma'am at Learnart. And do not forget to send us cute little pictures. Yes, Sonal ma'am and Dhruv sir. Goodbye, bacha log. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sonal ma'am. What a lovely puppet it was, isn't it, children? So what are you going to do now with this? As we told earlier, do click a picture with your daddy and share with us on the Learnart. Yay! Okay, children, I can see everyone's creation looking so cute. Yay! मैं भी बनाऊंगा अपने daddy के लिए. All right then, children. I hope you enjoyed the session. Yes? Oh, I'm sure you did. So, bye from us. And we hope to see your pictures uploaded on FB. Tag our Learnart. See you. Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, everyone.
See you
See you all again soon. Bye.
Bye 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 bye. Bye बच्चा लोग. Bye. Mr. Fox would love to see your pictures. Okay. So don't forget to send. Bye.